From its early origins, building high-end radios in those beautifully crafted wooden cabinets that were genuine works of art in the home, Barco became a technology leader in state-of-the-art professional visualization for a wide range of applications, such as digital cinema. 40% of today's cinema screens are equipped with Barco's projectors. Celebrating Barco's unique 80-year legacy, Barco Residential returns to those origins by bringing the very pinnacle of our image and sound technology to the high-end home, creating unique experiences to share with your loved ones. Based on Barco's unrivaled technology leadership, innovation, and craftsmanship, Barco Residential products and technologies are custom designed and built in Barco's European design centers in Belgium and Norway for the world's highest quality level in image and sound. Together with an exclusive network of partners who deliver tailor-made solutions, Barco Residential will irrevocably change the home experience.